In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Gmail email link. Before we start, a quick heads up about what this actually does. In Gmail, every message you open in a web browser gets its own unique URL. Copying that URL is a convenient way to reference or share a specific email with yourself or with teammates who already have access to the same mailbox, such as on a shared or delegated account. It is not a public link. If someone doesn't have permission to view that mailbox, the link won't open the message for them. Think of it as a pointer to an email inside Gmail, not a file you're sending out. First, open Gmail in your web browser on a computer. Using a desktop browser is important because this method relies on the address bar, which isn't available in the same way in the mobile app. Sign in as you normally would and wait for your inbox to load completely so Gmail has time to set the proper URL. Next, open the email you want to share. Click into the specific conversation, and if it's a threaded conversation with multiple messages, make sure you're looking at the exact message you have in mind. Gmail will update the page so the message is in focus. This view is what generates the unique link you'll be copying. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct message, and not just scanning from the inbox list. Now move your cursor to your browser's address bar at the top of the window. You'll see a long link that starts with mail.google.com. That full URL is the direct link to this message. Select the entire link and copy it. That's it. The copied URL is the reference you can provide wherever you want to point back to this email. If you're planning to store it for yourself, it works great in notes, task descriptions, or documentation so you can jump right back to the message later. A few tips to keep in mind. Because this link depends on your Gmail account, it only opens the email for people who already have access to that mailbox. It won't grant new access or bypass permissions. If the message is deleted, the link will no longer work. If it's archived, the link still works, but the email won't appear in the inbox view. And if you try this from the Gmail mobile app, you won't get a usable message URL. Use a desktop browser for reliable results. That's the entire process. Open Gmail, open the email, and copy the URL from the address bar. Simple, quick, and perfect for internal references.